I'll be listing some business ideas you can start as a woman in the year 2022, and these are business ideas that you can start remotely at the comfort of your home. Like, you don't need to have like a space before you can do this. You can stay at home too. So I hope you enjoy this video. Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be talking about business ideas for women in the year 2022. So yesterday we celebrated International Women's Day, and I'm here. I want to say happy International Women's Day to every woman out there. Every woman being strong, every woman trying to break the barriers, every woman putting in all her best. I want to tell you that you're loved and you matter. So without talking too much, let's head right into the business of the day. So the first thing on the list is going to be blogging, being a blogger. Yeah, I know some people say blogging is nothing these days. Blogging is like, I'm not making any money from it basically, but I'm here to tell you that that's a lie. You can start blogging. Let's say you are, it's not even a must for you to be good in writing. Let's say you have passion for a particular thing and you just want people to know more about things like that. So let's say you are good in fashion, you know how to bring up recipes, combine recipes, you know how to you're good in skincare and all, you can start a blog. You can start writing on things like this. For example, if I need a solution to something, I go onto Google to type it. What is the solution for acne? Where can I get acne products in Lagos, Nigeria? You see blog posts people are written about stuff like this. You click on that blog post, you head over, you read it, you read through it. That is a way you clicking on the link, going to that person's blog, reading through the content. The person is making money back end through this. And also another way people make money off blogging is when brand reaches out to them to write blog posts for them about their product. Or let's say you are invited for an event and the event wants you to write a blog post about the event. Or let's say brands that do advertisements, Google ads. Yeah, when Google put such brands into your blog, they pay you at the end of the month. So this is also something you can start as a woman in the year 2022, and because this is remote, it is so easy. The second thing on my list is going to be selling phone cases. I know this may sound so people say, how will I be selling phone cases and all? When I tell you there is money in selling phone cases, believe me. When you go to AliExpress, because I've gotten stuff from AliExpress before, and you type iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, Samsung, whatever phone cases, there, when you see the price, a pouch could be as less as 500 naira. But when it gets to Nigeria, you see people selling it for 5,000 naira. There's this page on Instagram, Shopping Spree. It is owned, she sells phone cases, phone accessories, basically like phone case, AirPod cases, screen guards and all. There's a time she made a little meme slash reels on her Instagram page about when family member has car. I'll try and insert it here. When family member has car, what kind of business she does, and she says, I sell phone cases. Like, who cares? She knows what she's making off of that. There's another page I know, Ace Phone Case. I've known this brand for 5 or 6 years now, and she is still selling phone case. But then, even back then, when you want to buy a phone case, you buy from Instagram DM. But right now, they already have a website. So this is also something you can start. You can start small and then grow into something big. Selling phone case is not a bad idea, and it is something you can start in your bedroom. You just need to order from China, package and start selling it out. And because these days everybody wants their phone to look good, people want their phone to look presentable. People are kind of protecting their phone, because so that when it falls, there is something to protect the back and all. This is also something you can start. My next point is going to be a surprise plug. We all know that everybody is emotional. No matter how hard guy that you are still emotional. People in this business, they are making money. I know this girl, while she was in school, she was like a year senior to me in the university. When she was still in school, she used to sell like fashion items like clothes, jeans. She left school and she moved into the surprise plug industry. So now if people have like surprise birthday, surprise whatever, she's the go-to person. And people want to surprise people. People want people to feel good. People want people to feel happy days when they are not feeling their best. They want somebody to like cheer them up. Let's say days when they are celebrating something big. They want to like, even though they are not there in person, they want to be there for the person in another way. And this is why the surprise plug people are thriving. They are making money. Another thing is going to be being like an event planner. So fine, there are various event planner. You see people, so people have niched down to the point whereby they only plan events for like kids. So people have niched down to the point whereby they only plan events for like babies. They only plan luxurious events, outdoor events, beach events. If this is something you also want to do, if this is something that you're passionate about, you love doing, like you see yourself like talking about these things, you see yourself like going online to like check stuffs like this, things like this interest you as a woman, this is also something you can start. Event planning for birthdays, you could do event planning for like surprise, you could do event planning for engagement, proposal and all. And this way, when people know that okay, this is what this person does, you are the go-to person. People want to like come to you because they feel, because they are good at, because this is what this person does, she should be good at this. And this way you can keep raising your price as you grow in the business. Another business idea you can start is being like a pattern drafter. Let's say you are good in fashion, you are not interested, you are not intrigued by the physical aspect whereby you are sewing, you can go into like the pattern drafting, you can go into like the sketching aspect of fashion. And these things fetch people money. You can be in your home and you're making patterns for fashion brands. You can be in your home and you're sketching out styles for fashion brands. They could just call you and say, okay, this is what we have in mind, this is what we want our next collection to be. Because you are experienced in this, even though you are not experienced, it is something you can learn on earth that is hard. In as much as you are ready to learn, then you can have anything. Like you can have anything, you can do anything. So this is also something you can also start as a woman in the year 2022. And it is not a must for you to be like fashion brands alone. You may want to go into like, she's based in the UK but she's Nigerian. She started like a shoe brand. I was watching like a video when she was launching her shoe business, whereby they sketched the shoe, like how the shoe was going to look like. They sketched it out before like bringing it to life. So this is something you can also do. Another thing is going to be going into like the bakery side of business. Let's say you love cooking, like you enjoy cooking, like cooking does not stress you out. This is something you can also start. You can start as little as just making stew alone. Then from there you can start adding soap. Then also you can also think of like making birthday cakes. There's this page on Instagram whereby they only do like white cake. I am serious. I stumbled upon that page sometimes when I was last year when I was going through, and they only do like wedding cakes, just white. Like there's no other color, just white. So imagine if I want something white, because I've seen this brand, I'll be like, there's this brand I saw. And that way I'm even telling other people that, oh, there's this brand I saw on Instagram that I think they are really good in white cake, because that is what I see on their page. Let's say you are somebody that is also like good in small chops. The other day I was on Instagram, I was checking for small chops this thing. Instead of me typing like bakery, I searched for small chops business, and I went for the page that does only small chops. So this is something you can also consider doing. You could be good in baking, you could be good in making small chops, you could be good in making like drinks like what's it called, Chapman, Zobo and all. There's another page on Instagram, Quack Tales, that's the name of their this. Instead of cocktails, they called it Quack Tales. That is what they do, and they pack it in like they have this cute packaging. So this is also something you can consider doing in the year 2022 as a woman. at the comfort of your home. You're sitting at home, you're staying at home, and then you are still making money. So this is going to be the last on this list, which is going to be a social media marketer. It is not necessarily a must for it to be like a social media marketer. It could be like a marketer basically, so whereby you market people's products. You are so good, like you are so good in convincing people. You know how to convince people, you know how to sweet talk people to like buy something. And for some reason, it is not everybody that has this thing. Some people don't know how to like convince people, some people don't even know how to market their products. So let's say you are good at this, you know how to convince people, you know how to write stuff to convince people. This is also something you can consider in the year 2022. I hope you've picked one or two businesses you can start in the year 2022 as a woman. Let me know in the comment section which one you will be picking, or let's say the one you started already, or let's say the one you didn't even know existed and I mentioned it today. And if you feel I didn't mention anything, please do well by dropping it in the comment section below. And let's say you have any question for me, you want me to help you with one or two things, if it is in my power as regards this business, then please send an email to me. My email address is going to be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. If you've not subscribed yet, I'm not forcing you. You may want to watch 2 more videos to be sure that you are in the right place. Don't forget, like I always say, that you are enough and you matter, and everything is figure outable. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.